Now we'll start with the unit 10, that is evolution. In this unit we will study about what is evolution. How did the different organisms on this earth evolve? That is, how did the origin of life exactly occur? Associated, how did the earth and the entire universe formation occurred? So, what is evolution? That is how evolution can be defined. Evolution can be defined as a structural change that involves the study of history of life forms on the earth. Therefore, accordingly the evolution can be defined as the development of complex form of life, that is, the formation of complex organisms with a complex system that is originated from the simpler and earlier forms of life. The term evolution was first described by the scientist named Herbert, who first defined the term evolution. Now, in order to study evolution, it is necessary to study the origin of life, that is how the life was first originated. Now, as we have studied previously, that various living systems in this entire universe are considered as a mixture of various large and complex molecules that function together in a coordinate manner. Therefore, life can be defined as a physico-chemical functional system. Now, this life of any organism basically consists of genetic material. That is, the entire living system is made up of genetic material. These genetic material includes DNA and RNA. Thus, we can say that the entire living form formation, that is, any organism, whether humans or insects or any other animal, is made up of basically this genetic material, that is DNA and RNA, which together combines to form different constitution and composition like peptides, proteins, and thereby that constitute the entire organism. We have already studied earlier that how this genetic material, that is DNA and RNA, together combine to form various complex substances. That is, they undergo various processes like replication, transformation, translation, recombination, and many others, which together combinedly processes gives a life form. Now, various scientists, astrologers, researchers, in different manner, right from the very beginning, proposed origin of life theory. That is, how did the origin of life occurred? As we all know, that origin of life, in general terms, can be defined as the origin of life from, that is, origination from non-living things on the earth that was started about 3000 million years ago. That is, this origin of life process has started long time ago. At the time of which the earth formation started, that is, begins. As a result of which the earth formation results into the formation of entire universe by forming simultaneously other planets. After the formation of earth, various life forms on that earth originated. So in order to study about origin of life exactly, that how did that occur, various scientists proposed different theories in different manners. So let us study few of them. The first theory that was proposed was known as abiogenesis. That is theory of abiogenesis. In this theory, it was believed that the formation of life took place from non-living substances. This theory continued till 17th century. That is, the theory of abiogenesis continued till 17th century. According to this theory, different living organisms were formed from non-living substances which included mud, soil, meat, organic matter, and many others. After this, it was proposed another theory, that is theory of biogenesis. This theory was first proposed by scientist F. Reddy. According to this principle, the formation of new life started from the pre-existing organisms. Through a process, that is reproduction. Therefore, the basic difference between these two theories was that in abiogenesis, it was considered as the origination from non-living substances, while the theory of biogenesis proposed the origin from the pre-existing organism, live organism, through the process of reproduction. This theory was proposed after 17th century, that is after the abiogenesis theory, proving it to be incorrect. Then the third theory following it was meteorite theory. According to this theory, the life formation took place from other planets, that is came from other planets in this universe, which underwent various favorable conditions. As a result, gradually with time, they developed into organisms. As a result of this theory was known as Cosmosa theory. where life forms were considered as cosmos. Therefore, this meteoroid theory was considered as the physical concept or physiological theory in which the entire life form began its formation from the other planets or cosmology, which includes planets, meteorites, and the other meteoroids. Following it came the fourth theory, that is, theory of eternity. According to this theory, the life formation took place from the abiotic components that was present on the earth during the earlier stage. However, this theory did not have any base or confirmation, as a result of which this theory was not accepted later on. Following it came the another theory, that is, theory of catastrophism. According to this theory, the universe, that is the entire universe, was subjected to catastrophes. Catastrophes here means sudden revolution, which took place at different times, that is at different levels. Following it came the another theory, that is theory of special creation. According to this theory, all the elements, that is all the elements of origin of life, were created within 6 days. However, this theory was not accepted at all because this theory did not propose that when and how these elements were created, except that they mentioned the time duration. So this theory was accepted not at all, since they had no evidence. Such a theory was proposed by Christian Sudres. Then came the last theory that was proposed by scientists, known as theory of organic revolution. Or we can say the theory of organic evolution. As per this theory, the world was evolved and not created. That is, here evolution took place and not creation. Therefore, non-living systems or components were created or reacted to form organic compounds which developed into colloidal systems. That is, the colloidal form of substances. Colloidal systems developed from various non-living substances that combined to form organic compounds. That is, we can say that simple life was developed from it, and therefore this theory was considered of much more importance than that of the others.